Hello, this is Adam, the certified car seat technician with Infant, Toddler, Youth, and the Pump Station and Nursery, and we're going to show you how to install the Diono Radian RXT front-facing using the LATCH system. If your child is over 35 pounds, you cannot use the LATCH system. The LATCH is only for children under 35 pounds. Remember, before you do any installation in your vehicle, always read your owner's manual so you know exactly how your car seat is going to work in your specific vehicle. Let's begin. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to release the top tether and latch system from your car seat. So on the back here, you've got your top tether strap. We're going to unhook it, and this is going to go into the trunk. And next, you have your latch connectors. They're stored back here anytime they're not being used. You're going to find the red button. You're going to push the button, and that'll disconnect it from the storage compartment. Make sure you do the same thing for both sides. The latch connectors are attached to the same strap, and we have to make sure we feed this through the car seat. So make sure the strap is not twisted or tangled. Make sure the connector is right side up, and on the side of the car seat, there's a section for front facing and a section for rear facing. We are, of course, going to feed this strap through the front facing section. So I've got one end here. I'm going to feed it through the front facing belt path. It's going to go in one side and out the other. And you want to make sure that when you feed the strap through the car seat, that the tightening plate is facing the outside. You don't want to have it where the tightening strap is facing the inside, because then you're not going to be able to tighten it, and it's going to be trapped between the car seat and the vehicle seat. So it should be on the outside here. Okay. So I have one latch connector coming out from each side of the car seat. I'm going to grab my top tether, and I'm going to feed it under the headrest and into the trunk. This is going to be the last thing we adjust. We just want to make sure that it's not trapped behind the car seat after we tighten it, and then we can't adjust it or do anything with it. Okay, so our tether strap is in the trunk. We've got one latch connector coming up from each side of the car seat. Nothing is twisted or tangled. And the loosening and tightening latch is facing the outside. We now need to connect these latch connectors to our vehicle. In my car, there are these little buttons that have a picture of a car seat. And right below them, there's an opening in the fabric. And inside the opening is the metal latches. Now, in your car, they may be in a different spot. So if you cannot find them, check your manual, and it'll tell you exactly where in the vehicle they are. Usually they're going to be below some sort of car seat indicator. All right, so I'm going to do the farthest side first. And once again, I'm going to stress, make sure the strap is not twisted or tangled. Make sure the connector is right side up. It should look like a whale or staple head. I'm going to line it up in the opening where the metal latch bar is. And when you push it on, you're going to hear a clicking sound, and the red button is going to just kind of pop back up. Now I can do the same thing for the other side. Make sure nothing is twisted or tangled. Make sure the connector is right side up. I push it onto the bar, it clicks, and the red button pops up. Once both sides are connected, we're going to make sure the car seat is right up against the back of the vehicle seat as far as it can go. All right. And now we can prepare to tighten. So on one side of the car seat, in my car, the tightening strap is over here on this side. There is a pulley strap we can pull on. And when you pull on it, it tightens up both sides together automatically. Now, you can start tightening it by pulling it from the outside like I'm doing now. But the best way to get this nice and secure is to grab our tightening strap and feed it through the inside of the car seat here. This is going to give you the best angle and leverage because now you're pulling along the belt path instead of pulling it away from the car seat. So I'm going to put my weight on the chair, And I'm going to slowly push down and go side to side. As I'm going corner to corner and tightening it, I'm continuing to pull the strap. So I'm going to do that a couple of times. I'm feeling the strap tighten up little by little. Whenever you feel like this is snug enough, the way you can test it is with one hand, grab it from either side of the car seat, grab it as close to the front-facing belt path as possible, and all you're looking for is an inch of movement. As long as the chair does not slide more than an inch from side to side or front to back, then you know it's tight enough. If it is still moving, you're going to want to continue to put weight on it and pulling on the tightening strap. Once you're done tightening, the pulley strap you can just tuck under the fabric so it's out of the way. Now we can go to the trunk and connect the top tether. All right, so here is our top tether strap. There's a metal hook connected to the end, and then the other strap is how you loosen and tighten. So in the back of my vehicle, there is a picture of a car seat and a metal bar right below it to let you know which one is the tether for the car seat. You want to make sure the strap is not twisted or tangled and that the hook, the flat part, is facing outward. So find your tether point, connect it, and then you're going to pull on the tightening strap to get it nice and snug. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to follow, like, and subscribe to support the channel. We'll see you next time.